Introducing the Digital Air Maintenance Device AMD Gen 3 with leak detection from Sea-Air Compressors. This digital air maintenance device is completely redesigned, re-engineered, and reconstructed from the ground up. It'll change the way you think about pressure management. Built with a 304 stainless steel housing, this device is IP65 water resistant and includes a ceramic digital pressure sensor. Our revolutionary leak detection gives you transparency into the health of your dry or pre-action system by quantifying the amount of air leaks. On-site users can quickly access the total number of starts during the past 24 hours and 7 days to determine leak severity and identify trends. Data can be entered into our online leak detection calculator for a detailed assessment of leaks, as well as to determine if the leaks are within compliance of NFPA standards. Available on the Sea-Air 244B, 600B, and S281 models. Sea-Air Compressors, the leaders in innovation.